Hi guys, good afternoon. It's good to see you guys back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I know today I wanted to actually do a talk with you to speak to you about how to handle rejection as an artist, more particularly that of if you're in a fine art or a visual artist, painter, sculptor, whatnot, or even in the vocal arts, performing arts, music, theater. Those are pretty much those are my forte fields, my area of my giftings and what I love doing. And today I just really wanted to take the time to talk to you about how to handle rejection as an artist in those areas. And I would tell you it's a long road, but it's only the beginning. That's actually those lines are from the song that's an old song from Rambo. It actually came on after the credits of Rambo, the first Rambo, done in 1984. It's a long road, but it's only the beginning. Yeah, there you go. So I just really wanted to kind of just have this like a naked kind of truth and talk about bare bones about handling rejection as an artist. Most particularly, in the day and age that we're living in, the 21st century, the social media platforms. How to deal with that? How are you dealing with when you are just really working your ass off on your painting, your drawing, your sculpting, you're really refining your YouTube channel, and you're doing art, you're doing music, art tutorials, whatever you're doing, and also across the other platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, Facebook, and it just sometimes when you actually are starting out as a newbie, and whether you have a brand new social media channel or a social media page, a blog, even a website, that it is a lot of time for the most part you're hearing crickets for the first few months. That may be like that. That you're yes, you're really working really hard. You are posting on a daily basis. You've got your strategic marketing down, where you have your look, your brand is just really just high performance level, where it's you are using Adobe Spark or Photoshop, whatever it may be, to do all your logos, to do all your titles, to do all your subtitles, to do all your video editing, the Adobe Rush, iMovie, whatever it may be. And everything looks fantastic. You're putting out really great, phenomenal, thorough content that's just amazing. You're talented, you're great, you're doing you. I mean, the whole 9 yards. And still, maybe it seems like it's just, there's no response. Zero. I'm talking zero responses. Crickets, nothing but crickets. And I will tell you that I've actually have experienced this. There's days that I have experienced, for the most part. There are years that I have experienced it, of that whole just no one is seeing you, no one's seeing your artwork, no art buyers are out there, no one's seeing your video comp for your acting, whatever it may be, for your theater, reel, whatnot, for musical theater. None of that, no one's seeing it. And you're using more marketing strategies to really increase that visibility and your viewership and your subscribers, and it just seems like it's a slow road. But I will tell you guys, it is very, very normal Nothing is wrong. I'm here to tell you guys, there's nothing wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with your art. You are beautiful, you're amazing, you're amazingly talented. It is just a gradual planting root process where you have to continue to go and 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 don't give up. And I mean, there are times where, like, say for example, like you are like, yes, you are posting a lot, you're posting on a daily basis, and yes, there may be like one social media platform where you're just really you're doing quite well. I mean, you're not maybe necessarily like slaying it, maybe you're not up to like a 100 subscribers, or you're not even up to 50 subscribers, and or 50 people following you, maybe like for example on Instagram, but hundreds of people are liking your work. Hundreds of people are coming to your profile page, to your portfolio page, to your comp page, and seeing your work, and they're liking it, and you're getting great just, you know that people are liking your work. You know that people are just really like, this, you know, you're getting feedback on your work, but you're just, it seems like you're kind of like at a plateau type of stage. And I really want to just kind of give you guys just the encouragement. First, I want to give you encouragement, but then also I want to just let you know that it is a natural process to plateau, where you're kind of rising, plateau for a few months or several months. It, you know, is depending on like your content and whatnot, just depending what you're doing, but you're really working hard. And when I'm telling you guys, when that happens, when you plateau, that you don't see really any like increasing in your, you know, there's no comments, your subscribers are not increasing or whatever it may be. That is crucial. It is absolutely crucial not to quit. You do not want to quit. Hear me out loud here. Do not quit. When you hit that season where you're plateauing, and it's like it may last for a few months, it may last for several months. You don't want to do that, to quit. Now, that's social media. Now, I actually would like to continue this talk with you. This is part 1 of my video of how to deal with artist rejection. On the second video, I really want to talk more about how to deal with it on the off of the social media, where you are actually in when you're dealing face to face with people. The auditions, in art galleries, where you're actually going in, you're mingling, you're talking, you're networking face to face. And I'm going to be talking to you about that in the next video. Thank you very much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, subscribe at my channel, and to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Be blessed. Check out.